Once upon a time in a dense forest, there lived a wise and gentle deer named Dharmasara. He was admired by all the animals for his wisdom, kindness, and fairness. The forest was his home, a place where he roamed freely, finding joy in the rustling of leaves, the gentle streams, and the company of his fellow creatures. One day, a hunter entered the forest with a plan to trap the deer. He set up a snare near a stream where the deer often came to drink water. The next morning, Dharmasara approached the stream and noticed the trap. Instead of panicking, he carefully examined the snare, understanding its danger. While Dharmasara was contemplating how to deal with the trap, a rabbit approached. The rabbit, seeing the deer, warned him of the trap and suggested they find another place to drink. But the wise deer had a different idea. He said, "If I leave this trap here, some other innocent creature might fall into it. I must find a way to disable it and protect everyone." With great care, the deer used his hooves to carefully dismantle the trap, freeing the forest from its danger. The rabbit watched in amazement and admiration. Once the trap was disabled, Dharmasara invited the rabbit to drink from the stream together, knowing it was now safe. As they drank, the rabbit asked, "Why did you risk your life to dismantle the trap? You could have easily walked away." The deer replied, "In this forest, we all depend on one another. It is our duty to protect each other from harm. By disabling the trap, I ensure that our home remains a safe haven for all." The hunter returned to find his trap broken and was humbled by the deer's wisdom and kindness. He realized the value of life, both human and animal, and decided to give up hunting, choosing instead to protect and preserve the forest. From that day forward, the hunter became a guardian of the forest, and the story of the wise deer spread far and wide. The animals lived in harmony, knowing that their home was a place of safety and peace.